Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Wishcare Onion Ginger Shampoo and Conditioner. Before we begin, I make a lot of skincare and haircare reviews, so if you're interested, please make sure you're subscribed so that you'll be notified whenever a new review video is uploaded. I'll talk about the shampoo first. The price of this shampoo is 599 rupees for 300 ml of quantity. The packaging of this shampoo is very simple. It comes in this opaque dark plastic bottle. It has a pump dispenser. It has a very clear runny gel based texture. This is SLS free, but it still forms a very rich lather. This is the complete ingredient list of this shampoo. I'll quickly share my overall review of the onion ginger shampoo. It has mild surfactants, it lathers very well, but it has a very strong fragrance which I did not like at all. It also dries out the hair a little bit and it caused me a little bit more hair fall. So this shampoo I wouldn't recommend at all. But they also have a rice water shampoo which I really liked, and I have also reviewed that one as well. So if you're interested, you can check out the review of that shampoo from there. So I really like their rice water shampoo and I highly recommend that one. But this one was not so great. Now, because I got a very good response and a lot of views on my previous review of the shampoo, the rice water shampoo and their hair mask as well, so I thought I should try and review their onion ginger shampoo as well and see how it worked. But surprisingly, it did not work that well for me. It caused me some hair fall and it also was drying on the hair. Fragrance is bad. I don't recommend this one at all. Let's talk about the onion ginger conditioner. The price of this conditioner is the same like the shampoo. It costs 599 rupees for 300 ml of quantity. The packaging also is very similar. It comes in a dark opaque bottle. It has a pump dispenser. This is the complete ingredient list of this onion ginger conditioner. This conditioner has a very thick and creamy texture. It applies very smoothly on the hair. It conditions the hair very well and it does take away a little bit of frizz. This conditioner also has a strong fragrance, but does not smell like their shampoo, like the onion ginger shampoo. This has a fragrance of coconut oil, which is not bad. Now this conditioner overall, I found it to be good. It did the work very well. It did condition the hair very well. It took away some of the frizz and made the hair smooth. Ingredient list is good and fragrance is not so bad. So this conditioner is an okay product and you can give it a try if you're interested. But if you have dry hair and if you are looking for something very deep conditioning, I would suggest you to go for their rice water hair mask, because that is a really nice product. I highly recommend that one. It deeply conditions and it takes away a lot of frizz and it works really well for dry hair. Now I have oily scalp and dry ends, so the conditioner worked fine for me. Shampoo was not that great, so I wouldn't recommend that one at all. If you're looking for something deep conditioning and if you have like very dry hair, so please go for the rice water hair mask. If you want the review, I have the review of that one as well. You can check out the detailed review in case you're interested in that one. So that is all from my overall and quick review of the onion ginger shampoo and the conditioner. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more such hair care and skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.